Namaste friends. Today I am going to discuss about Bihar. So Bihar is second pillar to get a healthy life, to get a good immune system. So what is Bihar? Bihar is sleep or recreation of your energy. So sleep, we'll talk about sleep. How much we should sleep? 6 to 8 hours everyone should sleep. If you are into any kind of physical activity or physical job or into sports, then you can sleep little more. So while sleeping, your sleep quality should be very good. If you are not getting a sound sleep, then you are sleeping for 10 hours, that is of no use. You have to get a sound sleep. So how will we get sound sleep? If we'll do conscious relaxation for at least 20 minutes. So what is conscious relaxation? So conscious relaxation, which we are doing it in a conscious mode. So you are not sleeping and as well as you are relaxing at the same time. So there are many ways to do relaxation or to do conscious relaxation. So I'll tell you 3 ways. Number 1 is Makarasana. So just see how to do Makarasana.
In this asana, we need to lie down from one side on your stomach and then try to relax consciously all your body parts one by one. In this manner, you will get a stress-free mind and body.
Number 2 is Dhanasana. Just see how to do Dhanasana.
In this asana, we need to lie down on one side and try to relax all the body parts one by one and consciously relax, be in the moment.
Number 3 is Shavasana, as we all know. So see how to do Shavasana.
In this asana, you need to lie down on your back from one side and very slowly and gradually take your attention in every part of your body and relax one by one. And be in the moment, try to relax all over the body.
Now, conscious relaxation is little difficult to do because it takes a lot of efforts to do, and that efforts is to be in a thoughtless state or to be in a state where you are not thinking or you are in the present moment. So if you are in present moment, then you are consciously relaxing body parts, and if you are relaxing your body parts, your stress level reduces, automatically your immunity increases. So whenever we are under stress, our body parts takes that stress or soak that stress and forms a disease. So if we are consciously relaxing our body parts, then disease will automatically dissolve or disease will not come into our body. So try to do this conscious relaxation daily. If you are getting time after your lunch, post your lunch, then this is recommended that you should do this relaxation. Or you know what? That if you are doing 20 minutes of conscious relaxation, that is equals to 8 hours of sleep. So see how much important is conscious relaxation. So try to cultivate a habit to do this relaxation daily. And I have told you the asanas in which you can do conscious relaxation, and you can meditate as well. So meditation gives you a very calmer state and you come into the present moment when you do meditate. So this will also recreate your energy. Now comes recreation of your energy. So you have to develop some hobbies in your life that can take you in the present moment, or that can give you a lot of happiness. So those hobbies can be singing. So if you're saying that my hobby is lying down on couch and watching TV, then this is not recreation of your energy. So you have to involve yourself mentally as well as physically, and that involvement should not be stressful involvement. That should be peaceful or lighter involvement. So if you are singing, your stress hormones will reduce whenever you are singing. So the song, either if you're listening to the song, that is not recreation of your energy. So try to sing as well with the music or with the song. Then you are involving yourself into the moment. And gardening you can do.
Spend time with the nature. When we spend time with nature, we forget many things which are stressful.
And walking is the best exercise or best way to recreate your energy.
So walking is a stress reliever exercise. So do walk every day. Give time to yourself.
Of any poetry, so you can write poetry, you can read books.
Try to read some spiritual book so that they can help you to grow more in life.
Spend time with your family.
When we spend some time with elders or children with our family, that time also our stress level reduces.
Spend time with like-minded people and try to cultivate positive thoughts into your life so that you live stress-free life. You can play any sports whichever you like. So there are many ways to recreate your energy. Try to develop some kind of hobbies in your lives so that they give you a lot of happiness as well as they bring you in the present moment, so that you are happy in your life and healthy as well as. And this was about Bihar, how to do rest and how to recreate our energy. So this is as important as Ahar, and this is as important as other two pillars. So about other two pillars I'll talk in other videos. Can you see how much this is important? So try to cultivate a good sleep in your life and try to cultivate some hobbies into your life so that you live a stress-free life and a disease-free life. Stress is the main reason behind every disease, almost every disease. So try to be in a stress-free state. So this was about Vihar. Now in the next video I will discuss about Achar. And if you liked my video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel for the next video, and share with your friends and family so that they can live a stress-free life or a disease-free life. Thank you so much. Namaste.